Hello everybody, are you ready to draw the farm animals? I'm ready. What you need? You'll need something round. I found this, qualcosa di rotondo, to draw circles. Let's start. Round and round, round and round. We have a circle, cerchio. Can you guess the animal? Meow. It's a cat. C-A-T. Cat. Gatto. Let's draw another circle. Can you guess the animal already? This one is difficult to guess. It's a dog. D-O-G. Dog. More circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A big nose. Small eyes. Can you guess the animal? It's a pig. P-I-G. Pig. Maialino. This one is easy. It's a cow. C-O-W. Mucca. This is my favorite animal. Are you ready? It's not a lion. Non è un leone. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Una pecora. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Small nose. Long ears. It's a rabbit. R-A-B. B-I-T. Coniglio. Another animal. It's a fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Pesce. Now more animals. We don't need the circle now. Letter S. You do this. The beak, the eye, the wing, ta-da! It's a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. And now we need the circle again. But look carefully. We need to erase this. Get your marker. And draw another circle. Can you guess the animal? Can you guess it? It's a chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. And now the last two animals. We need our circle. Abbiamo bisogno del nostro cerchio. And you go around. You need the rubber. Erase here. And erase here. Now the marker. It's a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Cavallo. Again, the circle. We go round and round. Okay. And we erase here and here. Okay, long ears, long eyes, nose, it's a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Animals. Cat. Dog. Pig. Rabbit. Sheep. Cow. Duck. Chicken. Fish. Donkey. Horse. Now you can use your colors to color the picture.